baby. Check out the neighbors' houses. You know this thing's gonna go. Roof, look, this is fun. You see my moves? You ready for the move?
Go.
Check this bad boy out. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, sookie, come on in. AC's bumping, so we'll do a walkthrough. We'll put a list of things that you guys want done or what's important to you, and then we'll start dealing with that stuff. Want to open up those blinds, see what we're working with. There we go. Look at that trampoline back there, pretty dope. There you go. If they leave it, you can keep it, but you're signing a waiver of liability. I'm gonna put in a new kitchen for you because I don't like this. This is nasty. These floors are gross. This carpet's nasty. Let's just kind of come through. We'll put a list of things that we're gonna rock and roll. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Another bedroom over here and the master. Here's the master, yeah. Doesn't look that bad, but I don't like how they have kind of this surround in here. They probably rebuilt some stuff in here. I'll leave that for sure. When we redo this, we'll probably have to pull it, but I'll have the guys try and do it. If not, we can always install one after the fact. I can send a handyman to help you with it as well. Boy, this has got some nice ceilings in here, a nice height. Let's check out the yard so we're on the same page. So I'm gonna run tile throughout the entire house and do baseboards. I'll do tile in here for you. We'll leave the closet, so we're good with that. Probably gonna keep the carpet. It seems to be okay. I'm joking, look at you. I'm kidding. I'm gonna give you a nice house. So they converted this, but I don't like this. This is junk. So I'm gonna put this back and put it, I don't like when you have conversions in here. It's just nasty. This is gonna go back to a garage. I don't like having these conversions. What do you think?
I would like to have the, I mean, I do like this.
You do like it?
I do.
Okay. But I'm gonna have this place all cleaned up for you. So we're gonna pull all the carpets. You can put in whatever the stuff in here, but I wanna do something nice. Like I don't wanna just give you some nasty house. So let's kind of go through time frame. Obviously you got your washer dryer in here. We know AC's working well. Texture's fine. But I'm thinking let's be consistent. I'd probably pull up. So why don't we tile all this whole area, which will be nice. Tile throughout here. I'll jack this up, put in new tile. I'll put in a new kitchen. We'll do a two-tone paint in here. Okay, I'll put in quartz counters and new appliances. Okay. Do you have your own refrigerator?
No, I can get it.
Okay. What else? Let's see. So I'm gonna provide new appliances in the kitchen. You're gonna provide fridge, washer, and dryer. Okay. And then if you wanna keep this trampoline, you can certainly. There's a little hole in there.
No, they can take it.
I mean, we could cut it, but we could test it out. AC is great. That's a nice size unit.
Yeah.
Tile roof, we're good. Let's just test the trampoline. I'll take one for the team. This could be an accident waiting to happen.
Oh, jeez.
Ooh, it's hot. You know it's gonna break. Look at that side. How bad is it? Let's see. Ooh, I don't know, these holes over here. Big man's not coming up here, I hope.
No,
I'm not scared. I'll take one for the team. Oh, baby.
Hey, it worked.
Check out the neighbors' houses. You know this thing's gonna go. Checking out the roof. Roof, look, this is fun. You see my moves? You ready for the move?
Go.
hey.
Can you do a front flip?
Not on here because this thing's gonna crush my head. Look at this good fun. I'm gonna leave this if you want it, but you're signing a waiver of liability.
I want it.
Put it on camera, waiver of liability.
I want it.
That's how you do business.
Yes.
We've been working on this deals for a while. You stay in touch with your people, your contacts, the referrals. We make things happen. She was calling me every other day for a property. Who delivered?
You did.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm not tired.
Don't
I don't
jump
get
off.
tired. Don't jump off?
Don't jump. I would not jump off.
Why, you think this thing will break?
No.
Oh!
Your knees.
Yeah, you're right. God, that's so stiff. Woo.
Can we do our landscaping back here?
Yeah, you can start with cleaning up. So I'm gonna order a container probably for tomorrow. If you guys wanna start, cleaning things up in the yard or whatnot as I do that, no problem. And we're gonna start on the inside right away.
Okay.
3 weeks
No problem.
or faster. Knock it out.
Thank you.
Cool. I'm gonna put a lockbox on here too so you guys can come check it out. Boy, this one is nasty.
It is.
Nasty. I would not feel look at these cabinets, come on. Most people, right, they'd say, oh, I'm gonna paint these cabinets. I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna let you move in. I would never do that. You always wanna invest in your properties, invest in the relationships, invest with the tenants, and make sure they have a good quality home that's safe for these beautiful kids, wonderful family, and provide a top quality product. It's very near and dear to my heart to do that. Most people want to just say, how much money can I make? They're anxious to get in here. All right, I'll clean it and paint it and let's get the keys. No, it's easy to try and take advantage of someone's situation. They have a high utility to move. Step back, do it right. You have less problems in the future. I don't want to get tenant calls. Zach, this isn't working. The cabinet fell apart. Take it out, start from scratch, build it from the foundation up, and you're gonna have a great long-term relationship. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Look at that smile, beautiful family. We're rocking and rolling. She's got her bodyguard over here. He's like, don't touch my girl.
You taking this one out too?
Yeah, we're gonna put a new light fixtures in here. I'll probably just do some cam lights in here so it'll look really nice for you.
What about the dishwasher? Everything's
Brand new. Oh yeah, no way. New cabinets, new stove, new microwave, new cabinets, quartz countertops. So be careful when you're cooking because it's a natural stone. When you put stuff on there, make sure you use like a trivet or something else so it doesn't burn it, obviously. The other thing that's important, we're gonna have this on videos, you guys do family dinners or whatnot, I do get invited at least once a month for the food. I'll bring the beer, you know, you guys bring the food, we'll rock and roll. All right, let's close this. The AC is wasting, I hate wasting utilities. So next steps, what happens? We're gonna sign the contract right now. I'm gonna order a container. I'm gonna get my demo crew out here. He's gonna start tomorrow, and we're gonna get this thing cranking. Yeah, so it needs some fascia and some rock work and stuff in the front. You can see the deferred maintenance, which we'll get going. But this is gonna be a nice little project. All right, I'm gonna grab the lease. We're gonna sign and then rock and roll. That's why it's important to walk it, find out what your tenants want to create something that's important to them. I may wanna see what the garage is like. No, we love the space. I'll keep it there for them. Why would I wanna, modify what they want? Right? It's not about me, it's about what they want for those long-term relationships. 5 minutes ago, came out here, signing this lease, already done, and in less than 21 days, we'll be cash flowing. That's how you turn a property extremely fast. I would tell you to sit down, but who wants to touch anything in here?
Yeah.
Not me. All right, here's what we got here.
Well, my middle name is Wesley.
Okay, you're going on the lease because you're, 18, so you're gonna be signing?
No, I'm not 18.
Oh, you're not? Okay, all right, that's fine. Guys, congrats. I really look forward to working with you and your family. We'll have a good time. You're a blessing. The house is a blessing.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Guys, have a great day. Good to see you. Stay cool. Yep. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. I just closed on this literally an hour. I got confirmation. Says, hey, we recorded. I already had a lady who I was in communication with. I'm all about being proactive and pre-marketing these assets. I had them drive the neighborhood, drive by the house. I even sent them photos from my acquisition during my inspection period when I walked in the house and said, here's the general layout, here's the square footage, here's the bedrooms. And they said, wow, we love it. We're very interested. I said, I don't want to sign a lease until I get you in the property. Then I'll let you choose, as you saw on camera, what upgrades do you want, right? You treat it like they're gonna buy a new home. I wanna give them a vested interest in the property. I'd like for them to buy this in the future. For what they're paying for rent, they can legitimately own this home, and I wanna give them that opportunity. It's an amazing cycle. So if I can have them in here for, you heard, anytime after a year, I get a long-term capital gain, I'll get some rent revenue, I'll turn this property around, stabilize it. This home will probably take $20,000 to $25,000 in terms of capital improvements. It needs landscaping, interior, exterior paint, all new floors, kitchen, quartz, and you could tell they were anxious to move in. Most people would say, all right, let me just clean it up, put in some carpet, and I'll get you moved in. They would have been like, oh, great. But it's not about that. It's about really providing good quality housing to well-deserving families at affordable pricing, giving them the opportunity for the American dream, which is ownership, and taking it to the next level. All lives matter, all people matter. You always want to give back as much as possible to everybody, and this home is a perfect example of it. This is a great little neighborhood. It's a great starter home, tile roof, 3 beds, 2 baths. They want to keep the room, which typically I would have converted to a garage, but they want me to keep it, so I'm going to keep it for them. You always want to listen. It's not about you, it's about the customer and what they want. Obviously, you're very happy, they're very exciting, and it's creating a new opportunity for their family to live together and their mom, and it's going to be a beautiful, good karma type property. So there you have it. You can't turn properties any faster than that. It's about cultivating and continue to communicate with those relationships. She looked at one of my other properties literally 6 months or 7 months ago. It didn't work out, the timing wasn't there. We stayed in touch, I really liked her. I said, I'm happy to rent to you anytime. So I didn't even have to do another application. So you could tell they showed up on time, they're personable, really good people. I already did my due diligence, had the home, it's a perfect match, and now we just take it to the next level. So we signed the contract right here, and now I gotta get this thing turned. I'm under crunch. They're at a hotel, so I get them in this house within 21 days. This thing will be turned and cash flowing immediately. You literally can't do this any faster. Most people would remodel the home, then market it for rent, then wait for 2 weeks or a month, and all of a sudden you lose time. So there's value to have a bird in the hand, listen to their wants, needs, and desires, give them some customization, and then take it to the next level. So it is a win-win situation for all parties. Previous owner obviously had some level of distress. I don't know, I bought it from a wholesaler, so I never interfaced with them, and excited to stabilize this property. Like I said, transition to a well-deserving family, give them the highest quality product available in the market for this community. So there you have it, trash to cash, literally in 20 minutes. That's how it's done. Have a great day, and thanks for following. When you get a chance, if you like this video and you want to share, please remember to share it, like it, subscribe to the channels. Tons of this information. This is live. This is the newest acquisition. This is how it's done. Have a great day.